Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this lecture series. Today we will see here what is Compton effect and formula of Compton effect and some numericals on this topic. Dear friends, firstly we will see here what is formula of Compton effect. Scientist Compton in 1923 investigated that when X-ray photon is incident upon any electron which is at rest, then the wavelength of this scattered X-ray photon will be changed here. Friends, electrons will be ejected out from here and this electron is known as recoiled electron. The angle between this x-axis and scattered X-ray photon we have imagined theta. Then the changed wavelength of this X-ray photon is given by formula 1 by nu dash in the form of frequency 1 by nu dash minus 1 by nu is equal to h by m e c square 1 minus cos theta. Friends, here m e is mass of electron and c is speed of light. Now we can write this formula h by m e c square 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Now we can write it after simplification h by m e c square. From here 1 will be cancelled out and we will get 2 sine square theta by 2 is equal to 2h upon me c square into sine square theta by 2. This formula is in the form of frequency. Here 1 by nu dash minus 1 by nu is equal to 2h by me c square into sine square theta by 2. This is my result. Friends, this formula also may be written as in the form of wavelength. In the form of wavelength, we can write it since we know that c is equal to nu lambda and from here nu is equal to c by lambda or nu dash is equal to c by lambda dash. So after putting the value of nu and nu dash in this equation, we can get from here 1 by nu dash here will be from here nu dash is equal to c by lambda dash. If we putting the value of nu dash in this equation c by lambda dash, then from here we can write after putting the value of nu dash 1 by nu dash will be c by lambda dash minus 1 by c by lambda is equal to 2h by me c square sine square theta by 2. Lambda dash minus lambda upon c is equal to 2h upon me c square sine square theta by 2. Now we can write it in the form of wavelength. Lambda dash minus lambda is equal to 2hc upon me c square sine square theta by 2. From here 1 power of c will be cancelled out and we will get lambda dash minus lambda is equal to 2h by me c sin square theta by 2. This is my result in the form of wavelength. Now friends, we have chosen one numerical on this topic. Numerical is the high energy photons are scattered from electron initially at rest. Assume the photons are back scattered and their energies are much larger than the electrons at rest. Mass energy E is very large, is greater than MEC square. Friends, it has been asked calculate the wavelength shift. Friends, now we will see here the solution of this equation, solution of this problem. Friends, as we have told you, del lambda is equal to lambda dash minus lambda is equal to h by MEC into 2 sin square theta by 2. We can write it 2h upon MEC into sin square theta by 2. Now after simplification we can write it, if according to my question, if photons are back scattered, then friends we can say that theta is equal to pi. Okay, if we placed theta is equal to pi, then we will get here sin pi by 2, and sin pi by 2, the value of sin pi by 2 will be 1. Now we can write here del lambda is equal to lambda dash minus lambda is equal to 2h by me into c into sin square pi by 2. The value of sin square pi by 2 will be 1, since sin square pi by 2 will be 1. Hence the value of del lambda is equal to lambda dash minus lambda is equal to 2h by MEC. The 2h by MEC, here h is constant. Friends, h by MEC is always constant. It is also we can say that it is also known as H by MEC is equal to lambda c, which is Compton wavelength. Compton wavelength. And the value of lambda c or H by MEC, lambda c is equal to 2.426 into 10 to power minus 12 meter. Here, after putting the value of lambda c from in this equation, we can get del lambda is equal to 2 multiplied by 2.426 into 10 to power minus 12 meter, or we can say that 4.86 multiplied by 10 to power minus 12 meter. Friends, I hope this topic will be cleared. All concept of this topic will be cleared, and you have learned the how you can solve the numerical on the basis of Compton effect. Thank you very much.